This is it at Marina Bisan. My whole life in Singapore, this is the time for me to explore myself. Really, I'm so happy and thanks for the
My hair wet.
sa nag-sponsor. This really my happiest experience in Singapore. Really, this is it. Experience to have it in Marina Bisan. Look at that. The sunset is coming.
Ate, go away. Where's Solo?
Yes, this is it. The view.